Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for the support, for stopping by, for taking the time to view what I'm finding in space with my telescope, and of course, the new 14 on its way. Guys, we often see crafts going by over top of the surface. What if that was some kind of transportation that always remained on top of the surface of the moon, like much a train, or what Elon Musk is talking about doing, his supposed Hyperloop? Um, from country to country because we see them. I mean, could it be a glass tunnel? We see often objects that looks like glass structuring or glass colors. I have no idea, but I'm seeing crafts on the surface of the moon that are going over in very straight lines, but they're recurrent. Okay, so there is UFO footage. Once again, two more flybys. This is the same night, so we're up to four flybys so far yesterday on the 30th, and I'm not done. I have an hour and a half of footage to look at. Coming up here, check it out, between Copernicus and Eratosthenes. Boom, there it went. Oop, there it is. It's not too long they go by. They go by real fast. Here it is again, an X-ray, and you'll see it. Montes Apenninus Mountains over top there that leads off to the point of where Eratosthenes crater is. Over to the left of Eratosthenes crater and the point of the mountains, you can see Copernicus on the left right here appearing. Now keep your eyes on Eratosthenes crater at the end of the mountain range, and you will see again, I got it a bit slower here, a craft fly by. It'll come from top and go past Eratosthenes towards the bottom. So we are finding UFO flybys on the surface of the moon. We'll see it here also inside of the lens. There you go. Yeah, flybys. What do they look like? Well, they look like watermelon seeds, and they're always basically that same shape. There's a definite corridor over the surface of the moon. We can see them, guys, traveling from top to bottom, from top to bottom. I have yet to see them traveling from bottom to top, and I think that's very important to notice. It doesn't mean they don't. Obviously, they would, you'd think, but I haven't seen any yet. And I see them where if you line up with your telescope with Mare Serenitatis, you'll not be wrong. You will see them. Definitely see them. So other flybys here, and two flybys, guys, in this video, two in the last video, and it's all the same footage from the same night. So we're just seeing the proof. There it is. There it was. We're seeing the proof that there are objects on the surface of the moon that are flying at fast speeds, very fast speeds. And I don't think it's a space station, unless the space station goes around the moon for some reason every 10 minutes, and it doesn't. Now, these objects are flying over top of the moon, obviously, but not too far up. So they came from the moon, or they're going to land on the moon. Either way, we're finding them on that surface. They're there. The proof is there. On top of that, we're finding structures, geometrical shapes on the surface of the moon. I found in my research that the moon is filled with many colors on the surface, both greens and every color of the spectrum that you could imagine. Well, the surface of the moon has it. We've heard the astronauts mention colorful rocks, black pearl rocks, purple stones. You know, if you take all that evidence into consideration and all the findings of all the many YouTube channels doing this, it's just incredible and inevitable that the moon is or was inhabited. The website contributors. And I have to give a special thanks to, and I have to apologize at the same time, to John Sarah Busquets. I was pronouncing it Joan. You see, it's from Catalonia. So that means the way they pronounce the Joan is not Joan like we do here. It is John. So Mr. John Sarah Busquets, thank you very much, brother, for the generous contributions and for the continuous support, bro. I love you for it, man. WSO YouTube channel. This channel is a very wonderful man that has mentioned my website and my channel, sorry, and is really giving me a lot of help, and he sent a lot of traffic over and a lot of great people from his community. Thanks a lot, WSO YouTube channel. Please check it out. He is searching for truth, and he has a variety that you would not believe of space chemtrails, both on Earth and on planets, out in space in the universe, and everything that's controversial. Check him out.